Hello, my name is Gilberto Conti. I am responsible to the course of Shamanic, Clown Shamanic and Masks. We are going to have in Budapest in 2 weeks. I'm recording this video to tell you some words about our course and how you get ready for. So our course is about 2 days. You are going to have really intense course, production course. So please don't have longer nights before, sleep well, don't drink so much. You should not drink so much anytime, but please don't drink so much the day before because you should have full of energy and a little bit clean body to start the preparation, okay? I'm not going to prepare you to become a shaman, but we are going to do some exercises to discover our own character and to create our mask, okay? So please get ready, eat well, sleep well, and full of energy. I would like also to ask you about some materials that you should bring, some tools. So if you can bring some good scissors, cutting blades, if you have also a glue gun at home, please bring it because we will need, I'm bringing mine, but also if you need some. So, another question that I would like, I'm sending you my email, you're going to have by your teacher. So any question or anything you would like to ask me before the course, or some info or some materials or bibliography to study about the books, about shamanism, so let me know. I would love to help you, okay? So see you soon. I'm looking forward to meet you all. Bye bye, ciao.